What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, we came inside and they have a bunch of video games here. The only issue, $8 a pop on them. And there's nothing in here that's too special. Some of the sports games are $3.99, but everything else is $7.99. And as you guys can see, there's really nothing amazing in here. So I think we're Call of Duty Black Ops 2 isn't bad, but again, $8. I ended up putting a couple of these back because they're just on the edge. $8 is too much for this game. Black Ops 2 white is 25% off, so it's like $6-ish. It's close, but it doesn't have a manual or any inserts, so I don't know. Power Rangers, not that close. And then just a bunch of basic Wii games, nothing too crazy. So, oh, Wally. I didn't see Wally before. That might be okay. Maybe not, though. The two I did end up getting are this Little Big Planet 3 for myself. It's $5. I think I'd make a little bit of money if I wanted to sell it, but it's for myself. And then this one, surprisingly, is pretty good. G-Force for $3.99. Keep an eye out for this. It is complete in here, so that's awesome. And yeah, decent money. There's a whole bunch of DVD box sets here. And one I found is this 007. Huge box set right here. Complete, brand new, sealed for $5.99. I scanned it into Amazon and take a look at this. Here it is with a decent rank, selling for $32. So I'll make 18 minus my 6. That's a $12 profit. So we'll grab it. Alright, so on the other side of the video games is a whole bunch of media. You got lots of Blu-rays, lots of DVDs, and yeah, a lot of stuff. Well, I ended up finding some good stuff right here. You can see my little stack. We'll go over it in a little bit, but we do get a CD for 99 cents, some brand new sealed stuff, some used stuff, but all great profits. It looks like on average between $2 and $3 are the DVDs. That one's $2 for a TV series, it's $3 for a movie, so yeah, not bad. Then I noticed over here they pulled out a cart of CDs, all 99 cents each. Here's Tupac for 99 cents. I don't think anybody went through this because I pulled that 99-cent CD out of it that was worth something, but they close in less than an hour, so I don't have a lot of time to scan through these. So I'll scan a couple of them, and then we'll go check out more of the store. Alright, so I was going through a lot of these little... Oh, I just noticed something cool up here. A Tamagotchi for $4. Yeah, I'm grabbing that. But I was just going through all these cool little toy baggies here, and Ashley brought over some really nice looking frames, gold frames for 99 cents each. It's so nice when you can find things that you want for yourself at the thrift store. Super detailed, really great for 99 cents. We need them anyways, so we're taking them. Another thing I found over here were these graphic novels for $5.99. Great price. I saw on the side Tomb Raider, which seemed kind of cool to me. I scanned it in, and guys, take a look at that price. Pretty awesome, like $35. Yeah, definitely gonna grab that. And I don't know how much the Tamagotchi's worth, but it's gotta be more than $4. I'm not even gonna look it up. I think it's good. And let's see if there's anything else cool hidden in here. We got here some games. Minecraft card game. I mean, if it's $2.99, 25% off. It's pretty cheap. We have back here some old toy figures. I don't think so. What's up here? See some rubber duckies. No. Lego, but they're just Lego pencils. Not good. Alright, keep looking around. Alright, they are loaded up on toys on this back wall. And I noticed something sealed up here. I don't know if it's any good or not, but it looks cool. Glowing chemistry for $10. It's a whole chemistry set. I don't know. It looks kind of cool. I'm gonna scan it and see if it's worth anything. Alright, so they close in about 30 minutes or so I gotta be quick. I'm coming down the toy aisle, and I saw this, a nice Lego set. Lego Minecraft. I'm like, okay, cool, $5-10, maybe 80. And they wrote on it in Sharpie, but I was like, maybe it's a discontinued one that sells for a couple hundred. I scanned it in, and it's $35.99. What? Why is it $80? I have no idea. But it'll sit here. Hopefully nobody ends up buying that thinking they're getting a good deal. That's sad. But what else do we got over here? There's got to be some other cool things. Not seeing anything else over there. Maybe on this side. There's something new. A couple new things. So what I'm going to do is just start scanning some of the new stuff up and hope I have some things to show you guys. Here's something. Memory matching game, brand new. So we'll see. I'll scan a few things and you guys will see. All right, still flying through these games here, and I found two pretty cool ones. This Dixit game is awesome. I've sold this a few times in the past. Here it is. Take a look at that price, $34. New though, it's sold for $55. That is absolutely insane. Oh, it's saying I can't sell it in collectible. That's weird. I can sell it in new. I've never had that happen. I used to sell this game. Let's try to click back in. That would be, oh yeah, restricted. Let's try another listing. Oh, I could sell this one. That's so random. I don't know what's going on, but 37, so it's actually selling for a bit more. So I'll take it, why not? And what do we have over here? The Monopoly, Disney Edition Monopoly. For how much though? That's the question. I didn't even check. $3.99. That's a really good deal. And I'll just pop the price up for you guys. It sells for great money. I don't know if it's complete in here. $4 is not a terrible risk to take. Hope that the pieces are in here. Yeah, we're just gonna take the gamble, throw it in here. Ashley just threw a couple things on top here for me to look up. We have a voice banking Monopoly. I love these crossovers. They tend to sell pretty well for me. And we also have a Marvel Villainous game, brand new. Let's see if these are worth it. So I had to put both games back up there, not because they're not worth it, but because they're $10 each. Even though this is brand new sealed, after fees and my $10, I'd only make about $8, $9 on it. I just didn't want to, and that's before shipping also, so I got to take into account shipping. So definitely not going to get that. The Monopoly, it's used, still too much money. What do we have right here? A Scooby-Doo game? Ooh, this looks really cool. For $1.99? Okay, let's scan it in live. This is too cool. I love me some Scooby-Doo. All right, we're gonna pull out the Amazon seller app, scan it in, and let's see what we got. Not on Amazon. So if it doesn't pop up, what I like to do is try to scan the front artwork and see if I can pull up the listing that way. So let's see. All right, maybe. No. Weird. It's only $1.99 though. This might be worth it. I'm gonna have to look into it on eBay. All right, coming down still the same aisle, and I saw this cool old game right here I've never seen. Pounce. Look how wild this looks. This is really cool. The wacky action game of bluffs and quick moves. The box isn't in the best of shape, but I scanned it in. And here it is with a decent rank. No reviews though. Selling used for $50 and new for 130. So that's kind of crazy. Maybe I'll just grab it since it's only $2.99 and 25% off. It's dirt cheap. All right, taking a quick look at the electronics here. They never have VCRs anymore, which is a shame because VCRs are worth a pretty decent amount, especially the VCR DVD combo recorders. This is kind of cool though. It's a Sony media receiver unit with a SD card on it. I don't know if this is worth it. I'm gonna look it up and pop it on this video. I'm not even gonna get it because they close in about 15 minutes. But it's the Sony MBD XBR 950. So if it's worth anything, it's up here on the screen and I just left something behind. If not, I made a good call. Let's see if anything else is over here looking cool. I always look for pencil sharpeners, Sony Dream Machines. They're just quick, easy $20, $30 sales. This is far too old of a pencil sharpener, not something I look for. I look for the all black ones. Oh, this is cool. It's an Xbox One Call of Duty edition. Look at that. Please be like $39.99. $99.99. But it is 25% off, so $75. I mean, it does have some wear on the front here, unless it's supposed to look like that. Advanced Warfare. I'm gonna look it up. It might be worth it. Let's see. All right, I left the electronics section because I wasn't seeing much. I was kind of on my way out, and I walked right past this Robert Graham. This used to be a pickup all the time at $10 though. These have come down. Somebody got dry cleaned right before they donated it. That's pretty great. But yeah, oh, it kind of has a design on the cuff, but still, these used to be worth a lot more. They've come down so much. At $10, this used to be like a $30, $40 sale all day. It's definitely a lot lower now. So we'll leave that. And yeah, the place is wild right now. It's kind of a mess. I'm sure the line to check out is quite long. We'll take a quick look at some hats here, see if anything cool pops out to me. What do we have here? Fairfield Firefighters Classic. It's cool. There's probably a knockoff Murray jersey. No. Anything cool? Anything you guys see? Let me know. What else do we got? O'Reilly's. Lots of store hats. How about an Obama 44? Oh, here we go. We have a signed hat right here. Is that someone famous or is that a kid on this Little League team? I don't. Hey. Oh, I thought this was Dolphins. Still, Islanders hat. That's really cool for $2.99. The fisherman logo. Is this legit? BMW Global Headwear? I don't know. It doesn't look legit. Something about it just looks off. It's cool though for $2.99. I think I'll leave it though. We got here Wilson Trucker Antennas. All these old school trucker hats made in Philippines. The Foster Farm. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of like this fox. He's pretty cool. Cubs. Yeah, I mean, there's some cool looking things, but nothing I need. I just found another Islanders hat sitting here. I think they all came from like a free giveaway or something. I don't think they're anything, so. Cool Mets hat, $4.99, but we'll leave it. We'll leave it. I always wanted one of these servant dog things in my kitchen when I was younger. I went to some friends' houses and when I was way younger, and one of them had this in their house, and I remember thinking they were the richest people. You can get one for $49.99, and it's kind of big, and I kind of really want it, but I think Ashley would kill me.